Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is staying safe and staying inside during this quarantine. The thing that has been getting everything off of my mind and keeping me kind of motivated is trying to find projects or anything to do with my Jeep in particular. So today we're going to be continuing the Jeep storage platform project, and we're going to be adding some comfort mods to it. So let's go right upstairs and get started. Today I'm going to be putting this Rode mic to the test because it's super windy outside, so hopefully it blocks out some of the wind. But if you guys didn't see my last video of when I made this shelf, here's what it looks like. And if you didn't see the video, go ahead, click right up here and watch the video so you are all up to date. But I was trying to find something to kind of cover the platform with so it wasn't just the bare wood with the screws sticking out. So I was trying to think of some things. I was thinking just regular carpet, like some of that cheap low carpet, but we had some extra carpet that we use in the bedrooms downstairs in the basement, so I went ahead, grabbed a piece of that, and luckily it's like perfect size. So I flipped it around, put it in the back, and then kind of drew out what I needed to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that, and then we can do our first test fit. Got it all cut out. It looks pretty good, so let's go ahead and test fit. Wow, look at that. First test fit, I think it looks pretty good. Especially this side over here. This side is close. Could use some trimming. Awesome, I think it's great. So I went ahead and got everything all trimmed up, so now it is fitting perfectly. As you can see, fits really nicely. So the last, or the second to last step, what I need to do now is screw it down so it doesn't move on me, and for that I'm going to use some of these like decorative screws that were left over from one of the jobs I did last summer. I will go ahead and screw the carpet just straight into this wood. I'll use these holes that I messed up with on the original install, just like that, ladies and gentlemen. You can't even see or feel the screws that I just put in, and now, well, it's not going to move anywhere. I could add a few more back here just so it doesn't lift up, but I'm super happy with how it turned out. Last thing I need to do is add a trim piece right here to cover up this last piece of wood. So I'm gonna go look for one that would work well, and then I'll be back out here. So I think this is gonna work perfectly. It looks really nice, but I don't really like the color, so I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down and then paint it a color that'll look better in the car. Maybe black, maybe something else. So let's go ahead and do that. So I did go ahead and start painting that, and as I was waiting for it to dry, I went ahead and went back here and I stapled all around the edges of the carpet just so it's not going anywhere anymore. I can't even lift it up. And so everything is basically ready to go. I pre-drilled the holes for the piece before I painted it. So everything should be to go, so whenever that is dry, then it should just be ready to install, and then it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the inside just to get all the carpet pieces off. That should be the final product. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it looks great. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and comment down below what you thought. If you don't want to miss any more videos, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more. And make sure you check out my last video so you can see how I made that platform. But that's going to be it for today's video. Peace out. I'll see you next time.